What if delivering apps to AWS WorkSpaces took one click? Plot twist. It does. Packaging Windows apps is complex. Days of effort, specialist skills, and still a coin toss. Foundry Flow rewrites the rules. Pick your app from the catalogue. VS Code, Zoom, AutoCAD. One click creates your package. Got something custom? Upload the installer. Flow identifies the silent switches for you. No hunting through admin guides. Packaged efficiently. S3 optimised. Straight into your S3 bucket. Then it creates the WorkSpaces application, icon and all. Assigns it to your elastic fleet. All automatic, no intervention required. Now the magic trick. AutoCAD, 7.5 gigabytes, delivered before the Windows logon completes. About 25 seconds. From cold. The user connects and the app is ready. No staring at a progress bar or a frustrated walk to the coffee machine. Foundry Flow. Apps on AWS at logon speed. Book your demo now.